cutting in my hair, and I'm trying to stop cutting so that I can keep it low. So it has grown out a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a hair video. It's been a while since my last hair video, but I figured why not? I am freshly out of the shower, as you can see. I did a t-shirt dry on my hair, and plus the air is on, so it has gotten a little bit drier. So I'm just going to take my spray bottle just to wet it a little bit because I am going to be flat ironing my hair. So I'm just going to wet it a little bit more. After the water, I'm going to go in with this black vanilla leave-in conditioner. This is a hydrating leave-in conditioner by Carol's Daughter. I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to put that all over my hair. Again, I am straightening my hair, so I want to have a little bit of hydration in my hair so it won't be so dry. I'm going to split it open in the back, make sure I get every bit of my hair. Now I'm going to go in with this Tresemme heat protection. It says heat protection up to 450 degrees. I use this is the leave-in spray. I do use this every time I get ready to blow dry my hair. Blow drying only. I do use a different one when I get ready to flat iron. So I will show you that one in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead, spray that on my hair. So we did the leave-in conditioner. We did the heat protector spray. Now I'm going to take a big comb and just comb that into my hair. I did detangle in the shower, so it's pretty much done. And I'm going to blow dry in the direction that I want my hair to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and comb it all to the side because I do have my shaved sides over here. It looks like I got a little bit of conditioner left in my hair, but that's okay. So I'm going to comb out my curls. And then I'm going to make sure my cut area over here is combed out. I'm going to take a comb and just make sure everything is parted correctly. And I've been cutting in my hair, and I'm trying to stop cutting so that I can keep it low. So it has grown out a little bit. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do with that when I get to it. Okay, so I am done blow drying my hair. Now I am going to use my Head Candy. It's not a flat ironing brush. It's not a flat iron. It's a Head Candy brush. It's a straightening brush. Yes, that's what it is, a straightening brush. And I've used this before on my channel. So I do like it. I do think it works well. I do think it is an alternative to using a flat iron because you know using a flat iron can cause heat damage, but this has a plate that kind of prevents that from happening. But again, I do have a dedicated video on my channel already showing how I use this and how I like it. It is smoking right now because I do have some oils in here from the last time I used this. So I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and just kind of scoop between the plates. I actually need to just clean this after I'm done today to get all the residue off. So it's the oils against that hot plate that's making it smoke, if you can see that. All right, so I'm going to put this on 428. I'm not gonna go all the way up, but it can go up to 450. And if you can see my shirt, it says COVID come up. It's so cute. I got this shirt from T Bold Entertainment. I will list her info down in the description box if you want to get one. I like this shirt because that's exactly what I did. I did a COVID come up. This whole entire year, I started a business, I lost weight. We just did a lot more and used this time to do what we really didn't have time to do last year. So this thing kind of kept us in the house, trying to do more things with your time at home. So yes, this is definitely a COVID come up year for me. Okay, all right, so I'm going to take my my combs and I'm going to separate my hair. And this process is going to be fairly quickly because using this brush, it gets your hair straight really quickly. So I'm just going to start from the back. Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to put some more heat protectant spray in my hair. Now, when I do flat iron or this brush, I use the Silk Elements with olive oil and Silk Protein Mega Silk Olive Heat Protection Spray. And this is the oil-based heat protector that I was talking about. So I'm going to put that all over my hair. So I doubled up on the heat protectant. I used the Tresemme water-based protectant when I did the blow dry, and now I am doing the oil base. And that's the only heat protectant that I'm going to use throughout this straightening process. So I'm going to brush it, get that incorporated in all of my hair. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I don't know what I'm going to do. I may just pack some gel on it and lay it down flat for the day. I don't know. But anyway, let me get back to it. Straightening my hair. And you don't have to take small portions or sections with this brush. It doesn't take all of that. So let me just take this back section and split it in two. Now, if I was using a flat iron, my sections will be a lot smaller than this. But with this brush, I don't have to. I think I may need a trim too. So, you see that? That was the one pass. And it got my roots. I'm just gonna go over it one more time. And my ends. See? That's how quick it is to straighten your hair with this brush. This is not a tutorial on the brush, so I'm going to go ahead and finish straightening my hair and I will be right back. I have straightened all of my hair and I went in and clipped my ends a little bit. Got that a little straight. Okay, so as you can see, I have some flyaways up here. I am going to use this Studio Techilo? I don't know. Okay, this wax stick, this says this for all hair types. And I'm just going to use this. It was sitting out in the mail, so it kind of melted a little bit. So I'm going to use a little bit of that to lay my flyaways down at the top. And then I'm going to take this Revlon curling iron, and I'm just going to put some loose curls in my hair because I don't want to wear it straight. So I'm just going to make some big sections, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to put some big curls in my hair. And I don't need any heat protectant. I did that twice already, and I'm not going to leave the curling iron on my hair for too long. I may have to because this thing is so that big, and I didn't want to use a curling one because I didn't feel like getting burnt today. So I'm using Revlon. You can also do this with a flat iron, but I opted for this. Since I just kind of wanted some loose curls in my hair. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with my side cut over here. I may just put some gel in it and pretend like it's part of my hair due to the length of it. Okay, so let me finish this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I had to actually go in with my flat iron to put some more curls in my hair because that Revlon curling iron was not trying to let me be great, and I need to be great with this hairdo, especially if I'm going to let this or try to let this style last me all week. I need some tighter curls, and that loose curl look was just not working for me this evening. So I went in and put some curling iron curls in there, and I cut, yes, I did go ahead and recut my sides and put a little bit of gel on there. I used this Arcani Coil Care edge control right here to lay my sides down. And well, I did cut enough to where I didn't have to put a lot of just this on it, but I did go in and use this. And this is a black owned brand. So yeah, this is a black owned brand. I have to go in and find the information. Oh, here it is. It says, be sure to leave us a review, tag us on social media, crownme_coil care. Okay, so that's the edge control that I used. I went in and sprayed a little bit of this deeper than hair Glass Brilliant Shine. I found her on YouTube too, so I will leave her information down below. And none of this is sponsored. I just love supporting other black women, so I will leave that information down below. It smells so good. And then, of course, like I mentioned in the video, this wax stick that I used during the video by Studio Techilo. I'm just going to call it Techilo. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but it's Techilo. So it's either Studio Techilo or Techilo wax stick. So yes, those are all black owned brands. So I'm done with my hair for the night. I have my curls. My hair is really fresh, and that is it. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you on the next one.
AbbyRed.